Hey gang, Carl White, and I'm here for your quick hits. Here on the property of the secret headquarters for the Mortgage Marketing Animals. And what I'm known for is helping loan officers ramp up their volume very rapidly without breaking a sweat. And one of the great ways that we can make that happen is Facebook ads. You got it, Facebook ads. It's very lucrative. Most people are doing it totally wrong, and I see people showing people how to do it, and they're missing out on a real big piece to it. The thing about the Facebook ads is they can kind of give you like a celebrity factor. And the idea of doing one is that...
Aren't you Carl White?
I am. Nice to meet you.
Hi, so nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you too. So when you're doing the Facebook ads, it's as if like everybody knows who you are. And because what's happening is every time that they're open up their news feed,
Hey, Carl?
Hey, how are you doing? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay. So as you do these Facebook ads, it's like everybody knows you. Obviously, these are two friends of mine, but that's what it's really like. When I walk into the Realtors Association, into one of the meetings, or if I ever go to an open house or anything like that, and I say this very humbly, very gratefully, everybody knows who I am, largely because of the Facebook ads. So there's three ways to do the Facebook ads. There's past database, there's the realtor or referral partner audience, like marketing, and then there's a consumer direct, right? That's the three ways. And I'm going to tell you right now, the money is in the marketing to your past database and the real estate audience, right? The referral partner audience, and running ads to those. The consumer direct, it's not that it doesn't work, it's just that it takes a lot more money, a lot more energy, a lot more effort, because see, what you're trying to do when you're going consumer direct is converting cold traffic. Not that it can't be done, it's just very expensive and it's not scalable. When we're marketing to our past database and our realtor audience, here's one thing. When you're running an ad to realtors, understand that when I'm marketing to one real estate agent, I'm really marketing to 300 people in their database. The average real estate agent has 300 people in their past database. So if I'm touching you as one agent, I'm really touching the 300 people that you influence. So if I want to touch 900 people, I want to influence 900 people to use my mortgage services. If I just contact with 3 real estate agents and form a relationship with them, that's the same as getting 900 in front of 900 people. So much easier, so much cheaper. And it's even stronger because now these people aren't cold traffic because their favorite real estate agent is telling them that you're the person that they can trust. This is a warm referral. And we use Facebook ads to do that. So, but here's the thing. We need to show you how to run these ads and what do you post on these ads. Again, because of the length of these videos, we don't have time to do that here. So I'm going to send you a recording of a class I did. And I did it with Nina, who helps me with the social marketing here at the Mortgage Marketing Animals. We have spent literally hundreds and hundreds. I think it's like $750,000 of my own money for my own ads. Like, we know a thing or two about doing Facebook ads. And in this class, we're going to show you how to upload the list. Like, you get your list of past database and list of real estate agents, and how do you upload it into Facebook and target just them? Nobody else sees it. We're going to show you how to place the ads. We're going to show you what the ads look like, and we're going to show you how to follow up on these ads, like how to actually turn these ads into loans. Very cool thing. And the way it's going to turn you into a local celebrity, that anytime you go to the real estate association, anytime you send over a pre-approval letter, anytime you go to an open house, or anytime you call on it, the idea behind this is to make you a local celebrity, and it's very easy to do, and it costs a fraction of trying to go consumer direct. So on this class, this is not a teaser class. We're going to walk you through everything step by step, no charge whatsoever. Just somewhere on here, just click a link. We're going to email it to you, and we're going to text you the link. So you can watch it either by email, or you can also watch it by telephone, and that's it. So very powerful as long as you do it the right way. Most people don't have that part figured out. After you watch this class, you're going to know exactly what to do. I promise you that. So click on the link. I'll send you the class, no charge, and that's your quick hit for this week. Thanks again.